In this episode, we compare and contrast the different software development services that are similar to XB Software. Before we begin, let's do a brief introduction to what XB Software is. XB Software is a software development platform that specializes in developing custom software and mobile apps. They claim to provide application modernization and UI/UX design services, as well as code testing and consultancy services. Here are some domains of XB Software's expertise: fleet management systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP, blockchain application development, and much more. They also offer project managers at an additional cost. Now let's see how their services match up with other freelance software development companies. XB Software versus DevTeam.Space. DevTeam.Space is a data-driven, agile software development platform based right here in the USA. At DevTeam.Space, you're matched with the most relevant field expert development teams. The project management process is agile and data-driven. As part of the process, you're guided with a tech account manager and a tech project manager at no additional cost. During the project development process, you receive daily bite-sized updates and weekly performance reports. By offering this complete package, the DevTeam.Space takes away all the stress and time-consuming effort that goes with complex product development, so you can focus on marketing and business growth. To see if DevTeam.Space can help you, there will be a Get Started link in the description. XB Software versus Toptal. Toptal is a freelancer platform where you can hire freelance software developers, designers, project managers, and finance experts. However, they do not offer complete teams. You will need to engage your own project manager to handle the complete development process. As for its developers, the platform claims expertise across a wide range of technology stacks and environments. Their freelancers are fluent in English, which is certainly advantageous for clients looking for painless staff augmentation services. While hiring high-quality freelancers has its advantages, you also need to remember that freelancers are often involved in multiple projects at once. This means you will likely find yourself in situations where freelancers are overworked or distracted. Be warned. XB Software versus X-Team. X-Team was established in 2006 and is based in Australia. They specialize in web development and mobile app development. One of X-Team's strengths is that they actively encourage and support the development of their coders. They offer an account manager upon request, but they don't offer project managers. This means you will have to hire a project manager elsewhere if you wish to receive updated reports and progress on your project. If you are simply looking to onboard unmanaged developers, then X-Team is a decent option. XB Software versus Crossover. Founded in 2014, Crossover is a software development company that provides companies with developers and end-to-end team management solutions. Crossover hires its developers as full-time employees and claims to hire only the top 1% of the labor pool. Crossover provides you with a skilled mobile app development team and a project manager who will support you in managing the team. However, since Crossover claims to hire only the top 1%, means that you are likely to pay a higher price to use them. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, until next time.